Hi, welcome to this week's blogging tip. I'm Kirsten, and like most people, I think it's cool to make money doing what I love. A piece of advice I see people giving new bloggers all the time is you can make money from your blog as long as you blog about what you love. Of course, the problem with this advice is that the thing you love may not be a viable money-making idea. Here's an example. If you've been watching my videos for any length of time, you may have noticed me putting a lot of penguin pictures into them. I love penguins. Whenever I go to South Africa, I try to get to the penguin colony in Cape Town, and I spend a couple of hours standing there just watching the penguins. Is that weird? I don't know, maybe. Could I write a good blog about penguins? Absolutely. Could I make money from it? Possibly, but it would not be easy and it would not be quick. If my goal is to just blog about something I love, then sure, penguins is as good a topic as any. If my goal is to make money, I'll probably choose a different niche. So, what niches are best for making money? There are all kinds of lists on the internet that tell you which topics are most profitable. As you would expect, every list says something different. That's not to say that any of them are wrong. It's just a testament to the fact that there are many blogging ideas you can make money from. But these lists do have a few niches in common, and those are the ones we will go over today. Number 1, health and wellness. What makes this such a good niche is that it is so broad. Within that niche, there are dozens of sub-niches that can be highly profitable. Eating plans like paleo, keto, intermittent fasting. Then there are fitness methods, cardio, weights, training programs, specific sports. You could focus on a health and wellness practice like yoga, physiotherapy, addictions counseling. The possibilities are endless. And of course, you could target your blog to a specific demographic, such as people going through menopause, people who are starting an exercise program for the first time, and so on. Second, we have the lifestyle niche. This is a bit of an odd one because the focus is not on the subject matter, but on the audience. A lifestyle blog typically covers a variety of topics that all appeal to the same people. So for instance, let's say you want to target single people under the age of 30. You could write about local entertainment, travel, and dating tips. If you're wanting to reach parents of school-aged children, you could write about meal planning, family vacations, and home organization. Number 3, personal finance. Unless blog audiences are part of the 1%, they are looking for ways to save money and manage their finances. I believe that this niche is going to grow and grow and grow because personal finances are becoming a lot more challenging as time is passing. People want to know how they can save money, how they can pay down their student loans, how they can save and where to invest the savings, how to ensure a secure financial future for their kids. Money anxiety is big and getting bigger. Number 4, related to number 3, how to make money online. Saving money is only part of the equation. Unless you are Elon Musk or Bill Gates, you probably wouldn't say no to some creative money-making ideas. And with the growth of the internet and everyone doing everything online, especially during a global pandemic, people want to know how they can use technology to their financial advantage. And finally, this is a timeless one, fashion and beauty. Everyone, regardless of gender identity, wants to look their best. There is a massive audience of people who want to know what the latest fashion trends are, how to apply makeup like a pro, how to create a hairstyle to go with any look. This is another niche that is broad enough to be broken down. You could blog about any element of fashion and beauty. Shoes, fashion for work, wedding dresses, caring for your hair or nails. There is an abundance of topics out there. This is by no means an exhaustive list. There are many other blogging topics that can make money, but these are some of the niches you can start to consider if your goal is to gain a financial benefit from your blog. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.